This was my aunt's home, my mom's twin sister. And the water, when they looked out from my mom's house, you could just see the top of the roof. That's how deep the water was. And so you had this big creek, and there's a little branch of water, and when we go out there, I'll show you just how small that creek is. And the wall of water that came out of this holler was what nobody anticipated. And so when you got that big creek and this little one that's now a raging river, they meet. And so it was just filled with water all down in here. And they had a beautiful yard. And that's completely destroyed. I mean, it's just mud everywhere. And this house has so many memories. This is where my mom and all of her brothers and sisters grew up. And it's gonna have to be torn down now. I mean, there's just no way to save it. My papa used to shave right here, and there's a little shelf here, and he'd take out the Old Spice stuff that he used and put it and had an old razor, and he'd stand right there and shave. So, I mean, that's a memory, you know, it's gonna be gone. Because it's like, these were the places where we played, and we had just wonderful times with family, sitting on these porches. You know, my cousin Jody was so proud of his place here, and just for him to lose it is just absolutely heartbreaking. I've played basketball games on this driveway and touched football in that yard, and it's just, will it ever be the same again?
The damage covers over 4,800 square miles of eastern Kentucky through counties that ASP has served for decades. Many have said this flood has brought the most widespread devastation that eastern Kentucky has ever seen. It is being called a 1,000-year flood. The challenge before us is immense. This is the biggest rebuilding effort that ASP and this region has ever undertaken. It will take many years, thousands of volunteers, and millions of dollars. Our neighbors need your support, and they need your prayers.